This is Arnachalam. Today let us analyze the stock YESBANK. This stock has a swing trade opportunity right now. So let's analyze the stock on technical basis. This is the technical chart of YESBANK. This is a downtrend stock right now, but once the stock performed more than the Nifty index, once the stock was on the Nifty index, Nifty 50 stock, and look at the technicals. The stock made a fantastic return, fantastic move from the price of 16 to 300 price range. It's almost 1900%, and some financial problems in the bank, and the bank started falling once the distribution was over. Many of the retail investors got caught in this bank because of inefficient knowledge about the case. And look at the chart. The chart shows a clean distribution area, but retail investors couldn't understand the moves of the market, so they lost their money in the stock. Many of the investors even averaged when the bank falls lower and lower. These are the many misconceptions of retail investors to invest in low cost stocks instead of high cost stock with good financials. So some investors who are bright in technicals can understand this move, and they might came out in such moves. So now let us analyze the chart on weekly basis. In weekly basis, the chart shows a fantastic pattern here. Look at the consolidation area. This is almost a distribution zone. After distribution zone, the stock break and it took a retracement, then all the way to the ground. It felt like anything, and this stock is also one of the retail investors' favorite stock. So the stock should be traded with cautious because the financials are quite bad in the stock. Now let's move to the daily chart. Before moving to the daily chart, I would suggest you to subscribe to our channel so that we will be encouraged to do such videos on regular basis, and feel free to comment below and suggest us some stocks to be analyzed in our style. And if you like the video, hit like button and hit subscribe to catch the every video which are published in this channel. So this is the daily chart. In daily chart, let me draw major trend lines in the stock. So this can be considered as a trend line. It's a downtrend stock, but it gave a breakout on upside, so this can be taken as the breakout. This small candle can be taken as a breakout because the sellers are less in this spot and the volume is more than average. Look at the black line here. This can be taken for the swing trade opportunity, and one can expect a huge up move in such stocks because the retail investors are more than FII activities here, so the speculative in the stock will be high, but one can be cautious before taking positions because the stock can be manipulated as such. So one can take entry at current market price, which is 13.80, and one can take good entry above the 14 range, which can be taken as the entry for the stock, and one can expect the target of 16.35, which is almost 16% upside from the current market price. And If you draw the line to the wick of the candlestick, then you should take entry only above the range of 14.50. 14.50 can be taken as the entry, and still one can make a profit of 10% within a few trading days. So one can take entry above 14.50. This will give a target of 12%, and one can take entry even at 14.05, which will give 20% upside. But taking for investment purposes is not at all advisable in the stock, because the financials are very weak. So one should understand the financials before investing in stocks. This is not a stock recommendation or buy or sell signal. This is only for educational purposes only. Thank you.